Hi traders, in this video we are going to discuss about how the smart money played their game today. Let's start the video. First start with 1 minute order block, how many 1 minute order block got formed and how much of them were respected today. So yesterday US market closed in positive territory, so Gift Nifty also opened at a positive note. So you see it is a good gap up of around, I guess, 100 points. Yes, it is around 100 points gap up, and after the gap up it also moved in bullish direction, and this is the first order block formed, and this order block got respected and it gave a move of around 20 points. But here you see this is a good order block, but it is not get respected today. So this order block got mitigated and again price fell. So when price changed the direction to bearish here in 1 minute time frame, not I am talking about 5 minutes or higher time frames, it is just 1 minute time frame. So price formed a lower low here and also it formed a order block here, this order block. This also got respected but not a big move, only 10 points move, and again it went up. Maybe it is not a very good move. If you take in the trade, it is a stop loss trade. So after that price here changed the trend. You can see so many trend changes today because the overall today's market was consolidated. So again it formed a higher high here. Day high also got broken. First 1 hour high also got broken, but immediately price reversed. So when price reversed, this order block got respected. Since it is a bullish trend, we should look for only bullish order blocks. Here it got respected and gave a move of around 14 points. Then again it came back. It is not an order block. It is not an order block. Whenever it got broken, this, if the structure got broken, we may consider it as an order block, but this candle is not an order block. Now again price formed a lower low, and again the trend got changed, and here it formed another order block, and here it formed another order block which got respected here and gave a move of around 20 points. So today I am not seeing much movement in the stock, I mean Nifty price as well as premium. Spot also didn't move much. I am talking about 1 minute order block reversal, so not much of a move today. So this is also 20 points move. Then this is another order block which is not getting respected, so we can see a fall. It is not respected. Again trend got changed here and it formed an order block here which got respected at TOD and not much. So even in 1 minute we didn't get much opportunities. Yeah, here price formed a lower low and it also formed an order block here. You see this order block, it got respected and it gave a move of around 30 points. This is the very good move came late evening around 2:50 p.m. So these are all the opportunities formed in 1 minute time frame. Let's go to 5 minutes time frame. Today it is a day of consolidation. Price opened a gap up, the gap up was sustained, and throughout the day the price consolidated and it ended on green territory only, 150 points positive. But after gap up there will be not much of momentum in the price, not big trend was observed. 5 minutes, nothing to say. So many bullish fair value gaps were formed. Of course bearish fair value gaps also formed, both got inversed. So whenever we see inversion of fair value gaps within a range, we can say it as a consolidation day. That is what happened in 5 minutes time frame. Let's go to 1 hour time frame. Today price formed change in state of delivery. We can consider it as CASD, and we can consider this as change of character. So the trend is slowly changing to bullish in 1 hour time frame. In 4 hour time, yeah, of course price also formed a fair value gap. You see it is a bullish fair value gap, even though it is an opening gap. Since price rejected from this level, we can consider as a fair value gap. Also it is a fair value gap reversal, So this is also another bullish sign. If you go to 4-hour time frame, yes, of course there will be a fair value gap in 4-hour as well. It is a bullish fair value gap. So we are seeing 1 hour, 5 minutes fair value gap, 15 minutes fair value gap. Yeah, 15 minutes also we got so many inverse fair value gaps. 1 hour also fair value gap, 4 hour also fair value gap. So after a long time, price is forming some bullish fair value gap. But here you can see in 4-hour time frame it is filled some 4-hour bearish fair value gap, and it is getting rejected. So in overall trend there is nothing much change. It is just accumulation. We need to see break of this level 26,060 or the lower level. Now the swing point liquidity got formed today. So previously it was this level 25,700, but now since here we can see a formation of swing point liquidity, we can narrow down the levels further. So you see how the price action is playing. Let me switch on the replay button. So I will delete all the drawings made before earlier. Earlier on 28th November, before December, this is the range, and here we can see a bullish fair value gap. So price needs to respect this fair value gap, and if this fair value gap respected, we can see a bullish continuation, but it got inversed, and also price formed a bearish fair value gap, and also it formed a new swing point liquidity here. So when the price got inversed, we can expect the price to come to 838 levels, but it didn't happen, and again price moved up. So this shows the signs of consolidation on 5th or 6th of December itself. Then price reaches this liquidity level and with the fair value gap. So we can expect this fair value gap to reject the price, and we can see this level of liquidity. So if this fair value gap got respected, we can see this level of liquidity. Yes, it was respected, and price also, yes, previously it was you see this fair value gap got respected, and when the fair value gap respected, we can expect a swing point liquidity. It was touched, and again price moved to this level of liquidity from here. This fair value gap also got inversed. The direction was bullish. So before reaching that level, again it formed a swing point liquidity here without any fair value gap. So without fair value gap, we can't see any good momentum or trend in the price. So again this accumulation got double confirmed here on maybe these two candles on 12th and 15th of December candles. Again it is just in consolidation mode, and also it formed few swing points liquidities here. So here and here. So the range was just narrowing down. So now the price was stuck between these two liquidity levels. So if we want a bigger trend in Nifty, either side, whether it is bullish or bearish, we need to see two things to happen. The one is liquidity ride, not a liquidity sweep. Price needs to ride one of these liquidity levels with a fair value gap. Without fair value gap, price can't move in one direction. That is what lagging. So we can see few 1 hour and 4 hour fair value gaps got respected, but that is not enough for higher time frame trend. So for a very good trend in one direction, daily time frame fair value gap is must. That is what missing in past 2 weeks. So we need to see now. We need to see either of these liquidity levels to be raided with the fair value gap. What does it means? What is liquidity ride? It is just breakout. We need to see a very good breakout of either maybe now, since the price is moving up, we need to see this level got broke with a fair value gap. If this pattern got formed, we can see the price is moving towards all-time high. If it doesn't happen, and instead if it breaks these liquidity levels with bearish fair value gap, we can say that the price wanted to move towards this level of liquidity, bearish breakout. So without these two patterns, the price is likely to consolidate for few more days or weeks. It is even possible because earlier price gave a very good rally. So for this good rally, the price needs to accumulate. The smart money needs to consolidate and hit the stop losses of retailers, and then only they will distribute the price. So we will see how long the smart money is taking this accumulation phase for a very good distribution move. So that's it guys. The overall trend remains to be in sideways with the bias is changing day to day basis. Let's see how it goes. So we will end the video here, and if you like this video, leave a like and also hype this video, and also comment if you have any doubts. I will try to address the doubts in the comment section, and we will see in upcoming videos. Thank you.